Hi everyone. I'm on my way and I've just taken an auto for the bus stop. Just a heads up, I want to give everyone that अगर आप if you're booking a Volvo and just make sure the rules, online rules, क्योंकि अगर आप Make My Trip से book कर रहे हैं, so you need to have Arogya Setu or you need to go through a temperature check half an hour before you need to arrive. And yeah, there are certain rules, and also want to tell you that I booked a room through an online app, and later I found out that stags are not allowed. So if you're a bachelor and you're booking a room online, make sure you check the hotel rules as well, because when I booked it, later I found out that अकेले अगर आप जा रहे हो तो you're not allowed. So it has to be a couple. And there are some hotels where bachelors are allowed. So weird rules they have. So yeah, that's about it. So later I had to cancel the hotel I booked previously, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, and I booked another one, and it cost almost the same. It's the same kind of hotel. It's still in Panjim. So yeah, that's it. I'm on my way and I'm very excited. I woke up very late. I had to finish all my work, homework basically, so I don't have any problems when I get back. So that's about it, and meet you guys in Goa. Bye. So guys, I'm on my way to the bus stop, and another heads up, I realized it could have been a disaster, but I saved myself, you can say. I booked the room online, and later I found out when I read the rules, I was just going through all the rules and regulations, because due to COVID के चक्कर में it's very strict right now. पुणे में there is a rule where after 11 until 6 it's a night curfew. So it's best to check the rules while you're traveling in the night especially. So talking about the rules of the hotel, later when I booked it, I paid it almost, I posted my video yesterday, so whenever I posted it, I guess ये जब तक आएगा तब तक थोड़ा लेट जाएगा, but the next day I realized that stag were not allowed. It means that if I'm going alone, I cannot go alone. Bachelors were not allowed. So then I had to cancel that room. Luckily मैं 24 hours की विंडो में था, और फ्री कैंसिलेशन तो नहीं हुआ, बट मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 800 रुपीज़ देना पड़ा, तो I had to book another one. So make sure जब आप ऑनलाइन बुक कर रहे हैं, check the rules before booking. Arogya Setu is mandatory almost everywhere now because of the rising COVID situation. And just make sure कि आप rules पढ़ें होटल का एक बार बुक करने से पहले. Check कि bachelors allowed है कि नहीं, stag allowed है कि नहीं, Arogya Setu important है कि नहीं, rooms are sanitized or not. So yeah, I saved myself a lot of money, I can say. So but I booked another one जो same area में है, Panjim में है. So I'm happy with that. I had to read all the rules before booking it. So yes, just a heads up, and meet you at the bus stop. Traffic में फंसा हुआ. We still have a lot of time to reach. अभी तो हम लोग मेन रोड पे भी नहीं पहुँचे. So it's Saturday night, so it has to be traffic. So see you guys. Meet you again. Ride with Uber and get 50% cashback using Amazon Pay. Uber is the best. It's everywhere. Glowing footpath. Wow. So beautiful. अरे क्या so beautiful. lights on the thing. That's so cool. It's really something. Wow. Hi everyone, we have stopped for a pit stop खाने के लिए and this is the bus that I'm going into. You see this? I'm sorry मैं अंदर बैठ के वीडियो नहीं बना पाया क्योंकि मेरा सर बहुत घूम रहा था और मेरे को चक्कर आ रहे थे, तो मैं अंदर बैठ के नहीं बना पाया. बट या इट्स अ स्लीपर सीट, अच्छा है, ठीक है, वर्थ इट. एंड अगर मेरा थोड़ा तबीयत ख़राब नहीं होता तो इट वुड हैव बीन अ बेटर वीडियो. सो या दिस इज़ द बस राइट बिहाइंड मी एंड या इट्स ओके. चलो, मीट यू एट द नेक्स्ट पिट स्टॉप. Good morning from Goa. Finally I reached on time. In fact I reached before time. It only took me 9.5 hours to reach Goa. Just a tip again, अगर आप स्कूटर रेंट पे ले रहे हैं तो make sure you take a helmet with it because यहाँ पे 2000 rupees का फ़ाइन है. So I just rented a bike. It's 350 rupees per day for 5 days. So I have booked my hotel. I have sleepy. Sorry for my face. It's not always like this, but yes, it is. और अगर आपको लगता है गोवा में पेट्रोल सस्ता है तो गोवा में भी पेट्रोल सस्ता नहीं है. It's 92 rupees a liter. तो मेरा 500 rupees में टैंक फुल हुआ है एक्टिवा का. And I like to show what I have taken for rent. 1 second here. Yes. So this is the bike. Yeah. So I'll meet you at my place. Chalo, see ya. Have a nice morning and welcome from Goa. Never thought of seeing this in Goa. Fog. I see beaches, but I see fog in Goa for the first time, and I'm actually feeling cold. So on my way. There's the sunrise. I never thought I'll see Goa like this. Just see that. Flamingos.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Sorry about my GPS, it's ruining the video. मेरा पूरा वीडियो खराब कर रहा है GPS, but it's beautiful. The greenery is worth.
Take the next left.
Yes, I'm taking it. Left. This one. Ooh, sunrise.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Yeah, right. Being attacked by dogs. Hi. Mr. Serious. Chalo, hito, move. Hey, you can't sit on my bike. Move. What? Chalo, move. Get down. Sit. Hello from Baga. Now I have 4 hours to kill, so I had no place to go to but Baga पे आने के अलावा. So looking for a place where I can eat breakfast and look at these shacks. They are everywhere. Seems someone had a rough night. Man is lying down there on the sand. So just looking for a breakfast hunt. Breakfast करूँगा, 3 घंटा टाइम पास करूँगा, फिर जाऊँगा. थोड़ी देर में I'll show you the ocean. See ya. That's the way to do it. It's not stopping but enjoying it. Look at that, right in the middle. So I just reached my hotel, but my check-in is at 2 and it's only 10:30 right now. So I need to wait. But check the view. Oh yeah. So I'll be sleeping here for like half an hour mostly, and then I'll meet you in the room. So lights out till then. AC not working. evening tea. Yes. So I slept for 2 hours only. Yeah, I fainted as soon as I touched the bed. सो गया था मैं 2 घंटे, पता नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि रात हो गई और मैं सो ही रहा हूँ एंड आई मेरे को अपना डे वेस्ट नहीं करना है। तो अभी उठा हूँ मैं और स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो में मैंने बताया था ये एसी काम नहीं कर रहा है और एसी अभी तक काम नहीं कर रहा है, बट इट्स कूल इनफ। पता नहीं, आई फाउंड गोवा ठंडा। इट वाज मतलब द वेदर इज़ प्लेजेंट, तो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रहा है एसी का, बट या द एसी डजंट वर्क नाउ। अगर आप गोवा में आते हैं नॉन एसी रूम भी मिलता है आपको एक अच्छे जगह पे, और एसी रूम भी मिलता है आपको एक अच्छे जगह पे। वो उसमें प्राइजेज़ ऑलमोस्ट 500 to 800 रुपीज़ का डिफरेंस होता है। सो अभी मैं जिस रूम में हूँ इज़ एज गुड एज पेइंग फॉर अ नॉन एसी, बट आई पेड फॉर एन एसी रूम, बट इट्स ओके। He tried, the AC guy tried his luck, and the resort is full, so it's okay, I adjusted, it's fine. But yes, please check your ACs, the things that I promised to you while you take the room. पता नहीं आप लोग चेक करते हो कि नहीं, बट मैं तो चेक करता हूँ। लाइक मेरे में है वो प्रॉब्लम है, अगर आप कुछ प्रॉमिस करते हो यू हैव टू फुलफिल इट। सेम गोज़ विथ मी, अगर मैं कुछ प्रॉमिस करता हूँ मैं फुलफिल करता हूँ। सो मेरे साथ हाँ, मेरे को फिर वो तकलीफ़ होता है, थोड़ा प्रिकिंग होता है कि यू नो आई फील चीटेड। बट इफ़ आई लाइक द सर्विसेज, इफ़ आई फील थिंग्स आर गुड, more than I expected, then I even pay accordingly also. So I tip heavy. So the person who was trying to fix my AC, though he didn't fix it, he tried his level best, but I tipped him well because he tried. So I'm happy. I have no complaints. The place is good and the bed is nice. I had a nice comfortable sleep. So now I'll go to Panjim. I'll eat something because I haven't eaten anything since morning. I only had an omelette and 2 bread toast. तो मैं कुछ जाऊँगा, खाऊँगा, कुछ ख़रीदूँगा, फिर रात को आऊँगा, सोऊंगा, और फिर कल मेरा दिन स्टार्ट होगा। कल से मेरा एक्चुअल व्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट होगा अबाउट गोवा। अगर आपको लगता है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गोरा हूँ, बट ये कैमरा है, मेरा कैमरा एक्चुअली अल्ट्रा वाइट कर देता है, तो मैं इतना गोरा नहीं हूँ, मैं फुल टैंड हूँ। मैंने अपने आप को शीशे में देखा तो मैं फुल रेड हूँ, बिकॉज आई वॉज roaming the entire morning till day outside only for waiting for the room to be free. So yeah, meet you guys again. Let me get changed and let's meet outside. So yeah. So guys, I finally reached Panji, and somehow it seems so empty. Generally you don't find a space to park here, but there is hardly any rush, anything, anywhere. If you can just have a look. Generally the space is so packed you cannot even walk. चलने की जगह नहीं है, but it's all empty. So thank you COVID. So let's take a walk. So we're walking down the aisle, crossing the road, and the first thing that comes here is the casinos. Panjim is famous for casinos, as everyone knows, but just repeating myself. So, need to cross.
बरे ओके कळसो कळसो इतला गो
Guess we'll go that way. Then we'll come back this way. It's difficult to cross. Beautiful waters of Panjim. Panji, Panjim, call it by many names. Yes. The water is pretty calm. There is traffic, but there is traffic. Tourism is less, because generally if you travel this place, you'll find people packed here. मतलब लोगों से भरा रहता है ये जगह. But as the rising cases of COVID, people are avoiding going out. ऐसे नहीं कि people don't want to come out, but people avoid large gatherings, and also they are bound to rules that they cannot allow maximum people, to gather at one spot. And let's see what else we have. Guess it's a big walk. So still a lot of fish.
फ्लैग लगाते हैं इसके ऊपर नहीं वो नहीं था ना इसलिए फ्लैग का टाइम है
So just want to tell you that if you are roaming on the bike, you're renting a bike, please wear a helmet. I found it out the hard way because I paid a fine of 200 rupees for not wearing a helmet. And this is one of the biggest casinos in Goa. They say this is This is the Big Daddy. I don't know where its small daddy is, but ये Big Daddy है. छोटा daddy लगता है आगे जाके है. But yeah, you need to wear formals. So mostly the last day I'll be doing a booking here and I'll be trying to enter this place. So let's see. Looks crazy. Elite, eh? Nice. Let's see what's in there. This is just booze.
बड़ा बिगड़े ना मजा ही है
Many local crowd here. What's so fascinating about the cruise? So it seems I'm going on a cruise. So $700 for that cruise. Meteor. Here we go. It's a 1 hour journey. You will only find dancers on it. It's Paulo Cruz. Paulo Cruz. Paulo Cruz. Paulo. Sorry for showing people's ass. So I have my corner. Just the way I like it. Well, let's go back. Corner is not good because the dancers will be here. So we have a nice party outside. Cool. I just scared I don't drop my phone down because you can't swim in the water. Water is so dirty. It's brown water. Let's go back up. Then we'll come down again. Sorry if I'm not audible. I'm actually, that's the loudest I can speak. I'm a bit shy also because people are staring at me, talking to myself. Yeah. So we will meet when we sail. I really want to go on that big boat. Right this way. Can you see my finger? This one. The cruise ride was not that great as I expected. $700 for just roaming in the cruise, roaming in the water for nothing, no water, no drinks included. I will not suggest you to take it. If you want to experience one time के लिए ठीक है, but otherwise I will not suggest to do it. इससे अच्छा आप कैसीनो जा सकते हो. Pay 1500 more and go to a casino. You'll get 1000 rupees ka chips also to play. Chalo, meet you at the room then. I'm tired. Fact checks. Things about Goa. First of all, if you think that गोवा में पेट्रोल सस्ता है, मैं वापस से रिपीट करता हूँ, गोवा में भी पेट्रोल सस्ता नहीं है. It's 92 रुपीज़ a लीटर जो मैंने आज भरवाया है. एंड आप बोलोगे कि इफ़ ड्रिंकिंग इज़ चीप, ड्रिंकिंग इज़ रियली 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 चीप. इनफैक्ट मेरे को लगा यहाँ पे प्राइस बढ़ा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को टाइम हो गया गोवा आए हुए. आई गेस इट्स बीन ईयर, मोर देन अ ईयर, 2 साल के ऊपर हो गया है. And the price is still the same, surprisingly. For example, the most commonly consumed beer is Kingfisher. Everyone knows Kingfisher, thanks to Mr. Malia. Kingfisher, a pint, the glass pint, will cost you 60 rupees, where in Maharashtra it's around 100 rupees, 110 if I'm right, maybe lesser. I am not a Kingfisher consumer, so I don't know. Uh, Then you have Budweiser. Now, Budweiser, surprisingly, it's for 165 rupees a pint. One maybe five up and down, give and take, 5 रुपए का फर्क होगा. But yeah, it is for 65 rupees a tin, 500 ml tin. This in my hand is the Heineken Mild. This beer I'll buy it for around 180 rupees. Yeah, it's a premium beer, so 180. I may be wrong, 175. इतना ही price range है इसका, but here it is for 95 rupees. Then the Budweiser Mild tin, I will buy that for around 145, 150 rupees in Pune in Maharashtra or in Mumbai. Here it is for 65 rupees. So it's almost 50, it's actually 50% cheaper. Then I saw a man buying an Absolute bottle, Absolute vodka, the bottle. In Pune, I will buy that for around 4,700, maybe more. I guess उससे ज़्यादा का price है. But here when I was buying this beer, he was buying that bottle. It is for 2,000 rupees flat. I guess it was for 1,900 something, but उससे 2,000 rupees लिया. He didn't check the price actually, but it was 2,000 rupees. मान के चलते हैं तो 2,000 rupees का है. So you can say it's 50% cheaper. So yeah, these are the facts about Goa. Cashews are actually cheap. I go to the grocery store near my house, DMart hai, Reliance store hai. Over there, you'll buy cashews for around 450 rupees, 200, 420 rupees a kg. Here, it depends on what store you're going. And if you're going to a local bazaar, you can find it for 200 rupees a kg, maybe 220 depending on the store. But on some other stores you may find the premium quality for 250 rupees. But yes, it's again almost 30 to 40% cheaper in Goa. Yeah, so these are the few crazy uh, things about Goa. If you think fish is cheap, no my boss, fish is the same. So if you say that coastal area fish might be cheap here, or यहाँ पे तो फिश बहुत सस्ता रहता है, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे फिश सेम प्राइस है जो आप पुणे, महाराष्ट्र, कैलकाटा, कहीं पे भी जहाँ पे भी जाएंगे, इज़ द सेम प्राइस. So I bought kingfish. I got 2 slices of kingfish. I went to a restaurant and I ordered for food. So 2 slices of kingfish, a Chinese style shrimps that I bought, prawns that I bought for normal size, these size, and the bill cost me around 760 rupees. So which I think was a little overpriced because वो अच्छा standard restaurant था. But even if you go for any local restaurants also, or ऐसे roadside restaurants also, the food is I'll not say food is cheap here. Food is you have to pay a lot of money for food here. Water is still the same, जो MRP है वही है हर जगह. But yes, food is expensive. So if you're eating at a shack, आप normal आप एक ऑमलेट और एक ब्रेड, 2 ब्रेड लोगे और साथ में कोल्ड कॉफ़ी. सो आई हैड दैट इंग्लिश ब्रेकफास्ट टुडे. So that cost me around 260 rupees. A slice of bread, omelette, and a cold coffee, which I think it's okay. You should not count or you should not price tag the food you eat. You should enjoy your food and cherish it, and respect it, and I do respect it. But I'm just saying, I'm just comparing. If anyone has that assumption that गोवा तो कोस्टल एरिया है तो फिश तो वहाँ से लाइव मिलता है, yes, you can find good quality fish. So there are shacks, many shacks on the beach who actually sell fish early in the morning. So if you come and buy it from them, it's you can literally buy it live. They keep it in water and they keep it so you can purchase it live. Crabs are live. You generally find crabs everywhere जहाँ पे live मिल जाता है. But yes, this is something that the Goan people now, this is becoming a trend. They sell live fish and all. They come and show you this is the lobster or this is the crab, and you can buy it live and they can cook it for you. So वैसा रहता है. So yeah, there are some crazy stuffs that you can do in Goa. Uh, as per my suggestion, the place where I'm staying right now, uh, they charge me more than double for a bottle of beer. Yes, I forgot to tell you the famous beer Corona. Uh, I bought a Corona bottle from here for 200 rupees in the resort for 200 rupees. Generally, if I go in Pune to buy it from a wine shop, it's for more than 280 rupees a pint. So when I bought it in the resort, they charged me 200 rupees, but when I saw the MRP, it's only for 100 rupees for a pint. So that's also surprising. So you can imagine how cheap alcohol is here because of the taxes and all. एंड आपको लगता होगा कि डाइल्यूटेड है, गोवा की बियर चढ़ती नहीं. गोवा की बियर इसलिए नहीं चढ़ती क्योंकि यहाँ पे गर्मी है, वरना चढ़ता है. इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर स्पिरिट अपार्ट फ्रॉम बियर लाइक विस्की, वोडका, रम एंड ऑल, चढ़ेगा वो. और सेम रहता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहता है दैट अल्कोहल कंटेंट कम रहता है. अल्कोहल कंटेंट इज़ द सेम बिकॉज आई रीड what I'm buying, I see the content level in it. So yeah, it's the same content. You find like 14% in beer or 11% in beer. ऐसे कुछ रहता है. I didn't even read it. I guess those are the strong ones. And alcohol में 34%, 30%, 28%. It ranges from brand to brand. So yeah, that's about it. I had a hectic day. Please, if you're going to Panjim, avoid the ferry rides. If you're taking a really big or a nice ferry, then that's fine. It's just a one-time experience. But I was, मैंने टिकट लिया, मैं बैठा वो फेरी के अंदर, लिटरली 3 घंटे तक था मैं उधर. मैं 7 बजे 7:15 बिफोर डे लाइट ख़त्म होने से पहले मैं बैठा था और मैं लिटरली 9:30 बजे बाहर आया. सो इट एक्चुअली रूइंड माई नाइस 3 hours जहाँ में मेरे को खाना था, रोड साइड फूड खाना था. Beer was more than twice the rate that I purchased it for, and you got a samosa, this much samosa for $50, and my stomach is aching because of that. So avoid going in that. If you want to experience it, yeah, one time के लिए चले जाओ. बच्चों के लिए ठीक है. For small kids, they like all these things. If you're getting a kid, then बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. बच्चों के लिए घुमाने के लिए अच्छा है. $700 है बट एक बंदे का. But if you're adult, you with your girlfriend, with wife, it's best to go to a casino. So ferry comes, takes you to the ship. There are actually 3 or 4 big ships there, who are मतलब जो पेंजिम में सबसे बड़े कसिनो चलाते हैं. One is the Big Daddy, then the other Casino Royale. There are Casino Majestic. There are few now. There are upcoming casinos. I read it in the newspaper that there is 150 crores का एक ship अभी आने वाला है उधर पैंजिम में, and that will be the biggest casino. They say 150 crores they're going to spend on that. So yeah, if you want to go to Panjim, so avoid that cruise ride. मेरे को अभी भी सर घूम रहा है उसकी वजह से, और उन लोगों ने कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ एक चक्कर काटा और लेके आया और नीचे डीजे चल रहा था बस. तो that was not a good experience. I would not suggest you to do that if you are couples especially, and stag like me. Talking about my room, in my last video I said the room was hot. The room became humid in the night. जब मैं वापस आया तो बिल्कुल भी AC चल नहीं रहा था. It was just a blower. Fan was more cooler than the AC. So they changed my room. Yes, I'm in a different room now. If you see, design shape is completely different. If you see, पूरा change है. So yeah, now the fan is also not on because the AC is so nice and cold. And अगर आप गोवा में आ रहे हो, AC room is a must because it really becomes humid. So it's better to have an AC room. I like the AC room. I'm a hot blooded man, so I need AC. मैं तो ठंड में भी फैन ऑन करके सोता हूँ, मेरा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है. So yeah, it's almost midnight. I just completed my dinner. So I just want to say that enjoy yourself. It's hard time for everyone. It's not the beer talking, it's me who's actually talking. मेरा ये अभी दूसरा beer है मैं जो खोलने वाला हूँ. But yeah, just enjoy yourself. If you're coming to Goa, relax. People are really, really kind here. If you mind your own business, they don't care what you do. So if you're enjoying doing whatever you want, just chill, do whatever you want to do. They don't care because they're seeing it every day. And yes, if you're finding breakfast in Goa, I would suggest you please get Maggie from home because यहाँ पे बहुत rare restaurants है जो morning जो proper English breakfast है वो serve करते हैं. You'll find that पूरी भाजी और पोहा डोसा, it's good, but that's something that you eat at home. You don't need to travel to Goa and come and eat that. I like sausages, some salami, ham in the morning with a half fry, with two brown breads, with a nice thick chocolate shake. That's something for me is English breakfast with nice slice of butter. You enjoy that, right? But yeah, यहाँ पे बहुत rare है. Tito's used to give that, but I guess when I went to Baga, मैं already tired था. वो मेरा bag इतना heavy था, मैं shoulders were breaking. They were close. I guess उनका Friday night या Saturday night का जो party हुआ था वो बहुत खतरनाक party हुआ था, तो they were still cleaning. So you can imagine सुबह के 8 बजे 8:30 बजे they were cleaning the area. So you can imagine क्या खतरनाक party हुआ होगा उधर. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So stay blessed, stay safe, respect your elders. Chill मारो, छोटी सी life है. Do whatever you want to do unless you don't hurt anyone. Don't do wrong things. Keep your place clean, and that's all. And I'll see you in some hours because tomorrow I'm going to South Goa, and there are few beaches that I want to see. I've heard a lot about them, तो मुझे अभी वो एक्सपीरियंस करना है क्योंकि मेरे पास और कुछ करने के लिए है नहीं. आई डोंट हैव अ पार्टनर हियर, आई डोंट हैव एनीवन हियर, no friends, no one. So the only thing I have is me and my bike and my bag, and I'm just traveling. So yeah, good night, guys, and see you soon then. Right? See ya, guys. Love you lots.